welcome back to the Dreamin Diesel channel. We are on the way. Right? Hey, what? Say hi to the people.
What up, guys?
Yeah. We're on the way to some truck pulls. It is, I don't know, it's Friday, whatever. In Alliance, Ohio. It is at the, what's that, the Mile Branch, the Mile Branch Grange or some shit. So we're heading down there, meeting up with Kyluch. She is pulling his blue truck for the first time. Got her all set up. We're gonna see if we can't fucking break something, you know. We'll see if this guy grows a pair and decides to pull his or not. He's undecided, but you know. We got the trailer in tow. Just in case somebody breaks, but you know. If we both break, we're kind of fucked. But you know, we'll figure it out.
If I break, we're fucked, because he doesn't have a pintle hitch. And he can't use mine.
Oh. Well, what are you gonna do?
Just sit here.
But yeah, truck pulls tonight, baby. So we'll see how she goes.
First one of the year.
Yes, sir. Does that make you happy,
Thank
sir?
you. Yes, it does.
Yay! We have arrived. Look, they're coming on the trailer. That's not the right one. Wow, good at this. That one? Yeah, that's the one I was looking for. We're here. Nice mask, bro. Come on, camera. Function. It is up right there. There's Kyluch in the building. Everyone's looking. Hey, Kyluch!
Fire truck's parked there. So the fire truck's parked beside me.
Fuck the fire truck.
You have to go around. But can you pull up here? I got to take the two front tires out of the bed.
Okay.
And then my fender flare blew off on the interstate, so I gotta throw that on the trailer too. Alright?
Okay. Quality piece of machinery.
Now, that's a fucking tractor.
It is.
Oh, we're talking.
Willie! How we doing, Kyluch? His truck's dirty. Buy 12 wides, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Is that your fender flare, buddy?
Did you stop and get it?
Yeah.
What it looks like underneath these things?
Yeah. Don't
Oh
touch
my
it.
God,
Just
don't touch it.
Don't touch anything on this truck. It's already fucking registered. It's good to go.
It's ready to go, huh?
You can see daylight there, buddy.
Yeah, it's registered. It's good to go.
I mean, we're gonna get copyrighted for this music. Getting on the weight scales here. Vaughn's gonna pull. Rock on, baby.
Scraper tractor.
See if we can't break anything. Kyluch already went on the scales. That's fucking stock. There you go. Vaughn's pulling. What do you think?
Huh?
What do you think?
I don't think. That's not my job.
Yeah, got more milk in here. We got the green flag.
I don't know yet.
We might find out.
Reset the Sled.
video so you can watch it back. Alright, good luck, big dog.
You got her. I want to hear it.
I want to hear that limiter.
He's like,
Kyle Uber, she right next to back in our sled out of Vaugn, Pennsylvania. It is our triple crown diesel class. I have a gas pickup truck class later. Our next class, we have our V8 tractor. I think we have about 19 of those signed up right now. Every proper Division 5 win our final class AV.
really?
Shifted,
yeah.
Kept going. Remember that.
Pretty solid. How'd it feel, Carluch?
Felt good, man.
Squat.
No, not really.
No, fuck no, it didn't squat. Just bouncing off the rim. You probably could use dirt.
Yeah, it spun, Vaugn. Just so you know, it spun at the end. I beat that guy, whoever that was. Did you? I got 307, I think, right?
No, 300 even.
300?
No, 300 even.
Yeah. Oh, it's 300 even?
Yeah. Well, boys, morning after. Had a very successful pull here for this guy here.
Yeah, not too bad.
Time to turn it up a little bit.
I think so.
How'd the first time go?
Felt good, it hooked up good. So I feel a lot more confident about the suspension. Suspension.
Speak.
Suspension.
He's a little tired this morning.
Yeah. We didn't get that much sleep, but yeah.
I did.
You did, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. We were sleeping before we even went.
He was sleeping all night.
Yeah. Look at, make sure you get a good video, Bandit.
Look at this guy. Put the camera up and see starts looking.
Wait.
Bandit, come here. Huh? You want to lick it?
Is that your old 67 there, Kyle?
Yep. Doesn't get much air time, but yeah, that's still 67. We'll fire her up for you.
Alright.
Alright.